There's Gabe getting the path ready. So basically, we're gonna put my dirt bike in my living room for the winter. And we gotta get a little path. So Gabe's out there just getting her done for us. Got Gabe rolling up. Alright, so right now, you already know, I'm going to get some Tim Hortons, me and my broski Gabe right here. We go pick up the dirt bike. We gotta drain the fluids, tidy it up a little bit, and spray nine. Yeah, spray nine the living crap out of it. And then roll it over about 3 blocks to my house. I don't know if we're gonna roll it or put it on the truck. It makes sense just to roll it, but at the same time we have to drain the fuel out of it. So we might use the fuel that's in the lines. Hopefully make it to the house. Yeah. We're a little tiny BC town we got here. It's pretty nice. Oh yeah. We gotta get the Tim Hortons. What are you gonna get, Gabe?
I'm going with the white hot chocolate. Oh, they're probably the best hot chocolate ever.
I like that.
Can I get a large white hot chocolate?
Get a large steep tea with a shot of vanilla and 2 cream.
2 cream and a shot of vanilla.
Yes, please.
Anything else?
And can I get a breakfast farmer's wrap sausage, please? Munchies.
Munchies.
And I can't make this corner ever. First
yeah,
time.
watch this. Oh yeah, but he has the big wheels on it.
Oh yeah. One
thing about living in Dawson Creek is I probably come to Tim Hortons about 4 or 5 times a day to get a large steep tea dub every time. It's part of the game out here, you know? Yeah, dude, I got you. Wow. Got you. Just doing God's work, bro.
Thank you. Thanks, homie.
Whoa! Pull up here. Your headlights on, bro.
Oh. They're funky. They don't work sometimes.
We'll see you when we get to the house or in front of the dirt bike.
Do it.
Alright.
Do it.
Alright, so start the time lapse.
Yeah, we're Kawasaki for life, baby. He's quacking off.
Alright, so right now we got majority of the plastics off. We're just gonna go through it, clean it up, probably gonna drain majority of the gas out, leave the oil in for now because I'm gonna ride it to my house. And yeah, checking it out, looking good. Now my camera's charging, so I'm just gonna set up my phone, do a little time lapse. I'm gonna clean my tires. I got them soaking with spray 9 right now, and yeah, we're just kind of getting the bike cleaned up right now. Looking sick. Okay, baby. Right now we got the front end looking factory. I'll show you right now. Front end's looking absolutely beautiful, my guy. Come here. Can't tell me that ain't looking factory. Back end's coming along, you know. Gabe's just giving her a good shine. Yeah, we're almost there.
Right on, right on.
Right on, right on. so basically I think we got the bike all done, we got the plastics cleaned up, or we're about to get the bike done. Gonna throw all the plastics back on the bike here, got them on the ground, and where's the other ones? Oh, they're there. So we're gonna get them all tossed back on and run her up to the house and dirt bike in the living room. Yeah. Whew.
What's going on?
Boom! And just like that, my dirt bike's back together. Can you feast your eyes on this? I'm about to fall off the stand. Feast your eyes. KX250F. So yeah, now I think the next step is to bring it to my house. I'm not kind of sure how that's gonna go, but I think it's gonna go pretty good. Alright, moment we've all been waiting for. Just getting her cleared out here. Getting ready to bring the dirt bike in. Hopefully no one cares. Stop being bad. Charlie. 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 Come here. Alright, do this shit. World's first. That's what we do in northern BC. Shit's getting stolen. Improvise. Dirt bike is in the house. Fuck yeah. That's how we do it. And let that thaw in. Fuck, got 8 months to fully redo this thing. I gotta do plastics, tires, foot pegs, bars, grips. I'd like to powder coat the frame, but I might not because it's a pain in the ass. Yeah. I'm stoked. Are you stoked?
Yeah, man. Cheers.